cause we don't with the stress. Westside Connect gangin', hoop bangin', and we got feels.
I jump out the blocks like ready, set, go. Check all my traps and dodge the Fed code. I'm all up in the mix like a fucking collage. And out the garage is a Billy Arnage with the brains blowed out so the sun's beaming. I got the jackets drooling and the hoes fiending. And since I'm Westside connected, got the streets on hype. I got big deals, big skrills, big wheels, big pipes. 20 inches roll, go and get these hoes. Picky hoes wanna roll with my nigga rolls. But be a freak about it, and I'ma see about it. Speak about it, no bitch, I'ma be about it. Who wants some of this? West running this. Mac 10 with the Playboy bunny bitch. She's a dummy bitch with a money pit. You broke ass niggas can't even stomach
What's
this.
that connect like, nigga? 3-time felon, 6 double West selling, rich roll ballin'. Throw it up, hold it up, gun bust, 4 fingers up, 2 twisted in the middle with the thumb cup. Chevy mashing, dipping the ass and Canada zagging, 4 mag and the toe tagging. Dub the hood phantom in the blue phantom in front of the club and valet off the talk and I'm nagging them trick.
What is it like? Tossing them hoes and rolling on fools on them bows. Flossing them chains, we doing big things and busting on punks at close range. This is the way us gangsters roll. Sit back and watch as it unfolds. Bitches and suckers done so cold. This is the life we chose.
Dope money and rapping, shit, I'm all with it. And all I know is the streets, so that's how I spit it. Chicken hog, see a bird, then I gotta get it. So if your hood come up short, then I probably did it. And if Lil Mama thick, then I gotta hit it. The Trojan gotta be a magnet for me to fit it. If it was Sherm on a stick, then I probably lit it. The red beam was on your wig, so I probably split it. To all the bitches that think they bootylicious, I think they nutritious, I think they do dishes. I'm making 3 wishes of taking they pictures and spending they riches and fucking they bitches. Egomaniac, little homies call me Brainiac. Ice Cube's an asshole and it ain't an act. So take a hit of that and remember that where my motherfucking niggas and my bitches at.
I'm Dub C, the rider with a click, and like a dragon, it's Nathan but fire when I spit. And I can't shake these ghetto ways. A street rich nigga eating a bag of lays, some rubber bands, some braids from the turf for the sirens and ambulance, where we keep the pistol smoking like Afghanistan. It's the gangster, the killer, the dope dealer, back for more figures. So trick bind down a powder liquor, bitch.
What is it like? Tossing them hoes and rolling on fools on them bows. Flossing them chains, we doing big things and busting on punks at close range. This is the way us gangsters roll. Sit back and watch as it unfolds. Bitches and suckers done so cold. This is the life we chose.
Perhaps I was blind to the facts. Stabbed in the back, I couldn't trust my own homies. Just a bunch of dirty facts. Will I succeed? Paranoid from the weed and hocus pocus, try to focus, but I can't see. And in my mind, I'm a blind man doing time. Look to my future, cause my past is all behind me. Is it a crime to fight for what is mine? Everybody's dying, tell me what's the use in trying? I've been trapped since birth, cautious, cause I'm cursed. And fantasies of my family in the hearse. And they say it's the white man I should fear, but it's my own kind doing all the killing here. I can't lie, ain't no love for the other side. Jealousy inside, make them wish I died. Oh my Lord, tell me what I'm living for. Everybody's dropping, got me knocking on heaven's door. And all my memories of seeing brothers bleed, and everybody grieves, but still nobody sees. Recollect your thoughts, don't get caught up in the mix, cause the media is full of dirty tricks. Only God can judge me. Yeah, baby. Only God can judge me. Only God can judge me. Only God can judge me, and only God can. Only God can judge me. Only God can judge me. Flatline. I hear the doctor standing over me, screaming I can make it. Got a body full of bullet holes, laying here naked still. I can't breathe, something's evil in my IV. Cause every time I breathe, I think they're killing me. I'm having nightmares, homicidal fantasies. I wake up strangling, dangling my bed sheets. I call a nurse cause it hurts to reminisce. How did it come to this? I wish they didn't miss. Somebody help me, tell me where to go from here. Cause even thugs cry, but do the Lord care? Trying to remember, but it hurts. I'm walking through the cemetery, talking to the dirt. I'd rather die like a man than live like a coward. There's a ghetto up in heaven and it's ours. Black power is what we scream as we dream in a paranoid state. And our fate is a lifetime I hate. Dear mama, can you save me? And fuck peace, cause the streets got our babies. We gotta eat, no more hesitation. Each and every black male strapped, and they wonder why we suicidal running round strapped. Mr. Police, please try to see that it's a million motherfuckers stressing just like me. Only God can judge me. Only God That which does not kill me can only make me stronger. For real. I don't see why everybody feel as though they gotta tell me how to live my life. You know? Let me live, baby. Let me live.
Pac, I feel ya. Keep serving it on the realer. For instance, say a player hating Marcus out to kill you. Would you be wrong for bucking a nigga to the pavement? He gon' get me first if I don't get him. Who start praying? Ain't no such thing as self-defense in the court of law. So judges, when we get to where we're going, we're in the cross. That's real. Got him, licked him, crept the fuck up on him. Sold a $500,000 tapes. Now everybody want him after talking behind my back like a bitch would. Telling them niggas you could fade a punk, I wish you would. It be them same motherfuckers in your face that'll rush up in your place to get your safe. Knowing you on that paper chase, grass, glass, big screen and leather couches. My new shit is so fatty, already sold a key an ounce. Bitch, remember Tupac and Forte? Them same two brothers dodging bullets, representing the Bay. Pac, when you was locked down, that's when I'll be around. Start climbing up the chart, so sick, but they tried to clown. That's why they ride the bandwagon, still be dragging, selling lies. Don't think I don't see you haters, I know y'all in disguise.
Guess you figure you know me cause I'm a thug that love to hit the late night club, drinks and buzz. Been living lavish like a player all day. Now I'm about to floss some ball player shit with Forte. Only God can judge me. Only God can judge me. Only God can judge me. That's real. Only God can judge me. 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 Only God can judge me.
Don't stop. Kelly love to my true thugs, picture me now. Hey yo, Rage, could you please drop some gangsta shit? Creep on in, on in, on in. See, I'm riding high, high. Whoa. Kinda broke the seam, y'all, so all I got is fire. I got fire. Player, give me some brew and I might just chill. But I'm the type that like to light another joint like Cypress Hill. I still do be spit loogies when I puff on it. I got some bucks on it, but it ain't enough on it. Go get the S, the T-I-D-E-S. Nevertheless, I'm hella fresh, rolling joints like a cigarette. So pass it across the table like ping pong. I'm gone, beating my chest like King Kong. It's on, wrap my lips around the 40. And when it comes to getting another stogie, fools all kick in like Shinobi. Homie ain't my homie to begin with. It's too many hands to be. Probably let my friend hit bit. Unless you pull out the fat crispy $5 bill on the real before it's history. Cause fools be having them vacuum lungs. And if you let them hit it for free, you hella dumb, dumb. I come to school with a Taylor on my earlobe, avoiding all the flick teasers, skeezers, and weirdos that be throwing off the land like where the bomb at. Give me $2, you take a puff and pass my bomb back. Suck up the dank like a Slurpee. The serious bomb will make a nigga go delirious like Eddie Murphy. I got more growing pains than Maggie, cause homies snagged me to take the dank out of the bag. Grab your phone, let's get geeks. I got 5 on it. Messing with that ain't no weed. I got 5 on it. It's got me stuck and I'm so back. I got 5 on it. Let's go have on a side. I take sacks to the face whenever I can. Don't need no crutch, I'm so keyed up till the joint be burning my hand. Next time I roll it in a hamper to burn slow, so the ashes won't be burning in my hand, bruh. Hoogies get hit, but they know they gotta pitch and bend. I roll a joint that's longer than your extension, cause I'll be damned if you get high off me for free. Hell no, you better bring your own slip cheek. What's up, don't babysit that? Better pass the joint. Stop hitting cause you know you got asthma. Crack the 40 open, homie, and guzzle it, cause I know the weed in my system is getting lonely. I gotta take a whiz test to my P.O. I know I feel cause I done smoked major weed, bro. And every time we with Chris, that fool rolling up a fatty. But the Tangeray straight had me. I got 5 on it. Grab your phone, let's get keys. I got 5 on it. Messing with that ain't no weed. I got 5 on it. It's got me stuck and I'm so back. I got 5 on it. Let's go have on a side. Hey, make this right, man. Stop at the light, man. My yesterday thing got me hung off the night train.
edibles, getting her flows on like Flojo runs in a marathon. Smooth like chocolate, so call me Big Mama Kane. Feels like another one going out for her reign. Step back because I happen to be on that plus tax. I got more subscribers than HBO or Cinemax. Mile after mile, I rip style after style. Cracked open all the valves. Ooh, I'm glad I used Dow. Cause it can get funky when I'm singing my song. But I just flow on and so on. I stinky cause I roll on. And then I hear encore and I won't give it a rest. That's how I got the motherfucking super on my chest.
Fly through the sky, getting love.
The whole wide world will want me.
Fly through the sky, getting love.
The whole wide world will want me. Mr. It's the master aces of the spade. Rapper skills are thinner than niggas on AIDS. Up and away, it's the super soul sis. I talk so much shit, I got halitosis. I know this, I flow this, I funky, you stank. You a walking blood bank, I'm withdrawing with my shank. Thanks for the memories, remember me, no remedies. Surrender the vicinity or catch a cap like a Kennedy. Cause I'm the superwoman rapper of this era. Hell, chasing MCs, got them on the run like Smash from Asriel. No bluff, the magic I puff, a choke and show enough. I'm taking a bite of the rappers if my name was MC Nigga.
She's hotter than the Southland on fire.
All your MCs desire to run through my fire. I'm turning heads like the Exorcist while flexing this. Cause it's the super soul sis.
Fly through the sky, getting love.
The whole wide world will want me.
Fly through the sky, getting love.
The whole wide world will want me. Sat on the outside, but now I'm in the arena. A super fly macadocious one you never seen. A soulful, cause I got a bowl full of soul. Strolling because I have no vehicle to roll. But bring it back to the topic of the soul of mine. I can flow a beat to a slow beat and be your beat and still on time. I rhyme and send waves of soul like Billy Ocean. Never ashy, lyrics that soothe you like some lotion. Cause I can crush any groove bust on any move you make. I keep my rhymes attached like trains to a freight. Break your achy like Billy Ray. I'm fucking up the industry and fits to be. Nanu like Morgan Min.
Fly through the sky, getting love.
The whole wide world will want me.
Fly through the sky, getting love.
The whole wide world will want me.
Consider this an invitation to my gangster nation.
This game right here is really rough. These girls out here about the bucks. These fools out here afraid to bust. I have no fear, afraid of what? And with my peers I'm coming up. Fools talk real loud but don't run up. When we come through they run and duck. We still right here, don't press your luck.
Homie, I'm tired of these cowards barking like this, walking like this from the concrete, but they chalking like this. In videos, in a trick pose, in a throwback, holding the gat, ain't gon' bust and know that. It's a dub SC thing, dub C brain, and we don't kick it with busters and khaki G strings. I'm done moving, I'm clearing the crowd. It's that who banging bandana criminal now, the original.
Evacuate the building, look, here come a plane. No, it's the big bad West Side Connect gang. And bump what you claim, homie, this who bang. With enough game to drive a square broad insane. And we number one gunners, no, we ain't stunners. It's real with us, partner dealers and jug runners. And Mac be the D-boy and the H2 Hummer. Looking hotter than a South Central LA summer, let's go.
This game right here is really rough. These girls out here about the bucks. These fools out here afraid to bust. I have no fear, afraid of what? And with my peers I'm coming up. Fools talk real loud but don't run up. When we come through they run and duck. We still right here, don't press your luck.
What the hell is Ice Cube talking about? That's how you get these here. Parked in your mouth, West Side ride trick, the same old spit. I don't conversate with chicks, I ain't gon' hit. I don't holler at these pros that sing like Ashanti, body like Beyonce, face like Andre. You kinda strange, but I'm rich, so my entree got the beat Bombay.
Have you seen us? Nah. Haters can't see us. Connect gang with a genius near. Countless cars and countless charges. Street means making blunts out of Cuban cigars. Big bottlelinas, hypnotic bottlelitas. With a block of pros on us cause the chronic is the greenest. Until my G's incarcerated and on probation, I'ma stay banging for the whole G nation, yeah.
This game right here is really rough. These girls out here about the bucks. These fools out here afraid to bust. I have no fear, afraid of what? And with my peers I'm coming up. Fools talk real loud, but don't run up. When we come through, they run and duck. We still right here, don't press your luck.
It's a gangster nation, if you in, you a G. And the whole world influenced by the B and the C. Now tell the truth, rappers, you don't ball like me. Cause I'm really from the game, y'all is industry. And while I'm serving up and coming young hustlers and cluckers, banging for the hood, causing havoc and ruckus. You fools at the label, kissing up like suckers. And your trick slows it down when you pee, they'll busters. One thing I do know, I ain't the Uno, big Bruno, rap sumo, on Bruno. I like to thank the congregation and my affiliation to the gangster nation. I'm hard on them, yeah, I'm ruthless. You like a stress sack, boy, you're useless. You know the side trick, better get up on it. Cause it must be a single with Nate Dogg singing on it. Look, check this out, man. We got a gangster nation going down over here. So y'all might as well bow down and join this West Side thing, man. Cause once you get with this, partner, you as G as can be. Believe that, homeboy. It's like that. Fred Wreck, what I tell you, homie, it ain't a hit to Nate Dogg spit.
This game right here is really rough. These girls out here about the bucks. These fools out here afraid to bust. I have no fear, afraid of what? And with my fears, I'm coming up. Fools talk real loud, but don't run up. When we come through, they run and duck. We still right here, don't press your luck. Nah, 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 nah.
Consider this an invitation to my gangster nation.
In the world, and God we trust, an architect, doctor, maybe an actress, but nothing comes easy, it takes much practice. Like, I met a woman who's becoming a star. She was very beautiful, leaving people in awe, singing songs Lena Horne, but the younger version. Hung with the wrong person, got her strung on that heroin, cocaine, sniffing up drugs, all in the nose. Could've died so young, now looks ugly and old. No fun, cause now when she reaches for hugs, people hold their breath, cause she smells of corrosion and death. Watch the company you keep and the crowd you bring, cause they came to do drugs and you came to sing. So if you're gonna be the best, I'ma tell you how. Put your hand in the air and take the vow. I know I can, I know I can be what I wanna be, what I wanna be. If I work hard at it, if I work hard at it, I'll be where I wanna be. I'll be where I wanna be. I know I can, I know I can be what I wanna be, what I wanna be. If I work hard at it, if I work hard at it, I'll be where I wanna be, I'll be where I wanna be. Be boys and girls, listen again. This is for grown-looking girls who's only 10. The ones who watch videos and do what they see. As cute as can be, up in the club with fake ID. Careful, before you meet a man with HIV. You can host a TV like Oprah Winfrey. Whatever you decide, be careful, some men be rapists. So act your age, don't pretend to be older than you are. Give yourself time to grow. You're thinking he can give you wealth, but so young boys, you can use a lot of help, you know. You're thinking life's all about smoking weed and ice. You don't wanna be my age and can't read and write. Begging different women for a place to sleep at night. Smart boys turn them in and do whatever they wish. If you believe you can achieve, then say it like this. I know I can, I know I can be what I wanna be, what I wanna be. If I work hard at it, if I work hard at it, I'll be where I wanna be.